Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two popular CRM platforms, which is Hubspot and Bitrix24. Although they both serve different kind of user and business need, and that's what we're about to look into right now. Hubspot CRM is a clean, easy to use systems that cover contact management, sales pipelines, email automation, analytics, and marketing tools all in one place. It scales well from small teams to large business, and it gives you strong reporting and automation without a steep learning curve. Hubspot is also one of the best CRM that grows with you and connects sales, marketing, and support all in one easy platform. Now, talking about Bitrix24, which is Bitrix24, is one of the all-in-one business suite that includes CRM Plus, team chat, tasks, project management, and internal collaboration tools. It's very feature-rich, which means you get more tools inside one platform, but it can feel a bit complex at first. Bitrix24 is strong if you want CRM and business operation together, especially on a tighter budget. So in my opinion, the Hubspot is best for clean, powerful CRM and marketing growth, while the Bitrix24 is best for team who want CRM plus extra business tools in one place. And that's how the both CRM tools work in different patterns. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.